Hello everyone. Today we have cold cheesecake. Fantastic recipe. And as you see, the original recipe with all steps how to make it perfectly and how to use many type of flavor. You can make with berry, you can make with any filling, and the standard recipe how to make the crust. All you need about cheesecake. If this first time to watch me, I would love you make subscribe and please leave comment after the video. In beginning, we soak the gelatin and we make the crust. The crust 200 gram digestive biscuit and 100 gram of liquid butter or melted butter. I did already the recipe for digestive biscuit in one video. I will leave the link below in description box. Digestive biscuit and melted butter together. We mix all gently until you feel it soak all the butter. Take the edges. In cake ring, we put almost 250 gram. I need only 3 millimeter high, so it will be easy to cut the cake afterwards and to have the crunchy base. For me, I make a different because a lot of people just make the crust, but I bake it. Here is easy way to put parchment paper and spread by your hand. That make all base equal size and very easy and fast. So try to use parchment paper or butter paper, somebody call it. After that, I bake 190 degree for 6 minutes. This way to make it extra crunchy, to dehydrate the extra butter, and as you see, wonderful. I keep it to cool down and then I start to make the recipe. 3 egg yolk, 60 gram sugar, I use this as a bain-marie, and if you have big quantity, better to make in Italian meringue, Italian way. I will show you also. Here the cheese, I squeeze half lemon, and very important to put lemon juice and lemon zest. Here just pinch of lemon salt, of normal salt, and that give nice aroma and flavor. Here we put with micro zest of the lemon, and this increase the flavor and taste of the cheese. 340 gram. Anyway, I put all the recipe in description box. Here, because a small quantity, I cannot make it like Italian meringue, so I make in bain-marie medium heat, because a lot of people when they make bain-marie they use excessive heat. It's not good, it will cook too much. So in medium heat I keep stirring until I cook the sabayon to 82 degree. As you see, when becomes 82 degree, now I have my sabayon is ready, so I can use it. Not before that. 80, 82. Then as you see, it becomes a different shape and becomes like creme patisserie or sponge cake. And then I added squeezed gelatin. If you have gelatin powder, you use the same amount, but you dehydrate it with 5 times water. So if you have 100 gram or 10 gram gelatin powder, you added 50 gram water, cold water. Then I make tempering. I take that little of the cheese to mix with the sabayon. And the best way, if you have big quantity, you mix the cheese cream with whisk 2-3 minutes to be fluffy and easy to incorporate it with the sabayon. Here we just take a little of whipping cream, whipping fresh cream, no sugar at all. As you see, I mix it. This we call it tempering. I return it back to the cream. So I reduce the temperature of the sabayon, and now I can mix it with the rest of the whipping cream. This is the other way. If I have big quantity as I have, so I make the sugar caramel. I cook to 121 centigrade, then I add it to the sabayon. This when I have big quantity, and this is the best way to make cheesecake. But because it's small quantity, I make it sabayon. As you see, after I bake, I cool it down. I added berry mix, compote, or any flavor you want to have. Some people put raspberry, blackberry, blackcurrant, dry apricot, whatever name it, it's up to you. You have the standard recipe for the cheese, you have a standard recipe how to make the crust, and this up to you, the garnish and the flavor. You have to keep 1 centimeter from behind, so you added all the cream, and you have to freeze it. Make sure that you shake it to take out the bubbles, and then you keep in the freezer maybe for 1 day, and second day, as you see, is ready. So we make simple decor. I use cake ring. I would mix berry compote, and your cake is ready. Just you can garnish. I use fresh raspberry. It makes nice garnish. The cake is ready for service. Bon appetit. Thank you for watching my channel. Please leave your comment and let us know any dessert you want. It was great to have you. Ahmed Younes.